Question number 166. Which type of natural selection is depicted in the given diagram below? And in this diagram, on x-axis we have phenotype, on y-axis we have frequency, and we achieve two peaks in this diagram. Now if we will have a look at this diagrammatic representation of operation of natural selection on different traits, we have three types of selection: stabilizing, directional and disruptive. This diagram is given in your NCERT book, and the diagram which is given in your question is this type, which is disruptive selection. In disruptive selection, both extremities of the phenotype are selected, that is, more peripheral character value at both ends of distribution curve, and mean value gradually decreases. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1, disruptive selection. The following diagram depicts disruptive selection. Let's discuss rest of the options. The next option given is stabilizing selection, which is also known as balancing selection. So these are the incorrect options. The last option, that is directional selection, is also an incorrect option. And the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Question number 167. Populations of peppered moth, Piston betullaria of England, underwent directional selection during and after industrialization. The selective agent causing the change was or were, options are man, lichens, toxins from industrial smoke and birds. And the correct answer to this question is option number 4, birds. Birds are the selective agent causing the change, which is what? Directional selection during and after industrialization. Because it is predator that select prey. Prey is what? Peppered moth. And predator is what? Man? No. So this is an incorrect option. Lichens? No. This is an incorrect option. Toxins from industrial smoke is not a predator. So this is an incorrect option. Birds are predators which select prey, which is what? Peppered moth. So birds is the correct answer because birds eat the type of moth which could not camouflage against the tree bark. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Now let's discuss the next question. Question number 168. Find the incorrect match. And the very first match given is named after fossils found in Australia, and the match is Australopithecines. And as it is an incorrect match, so this is a correct answer to our question. Because the fossils of Australopithecines were initially found in South Africa and not in Australia. The next option given is cave paintings and fossils found in Europe, and the match is Cro-Magnon man. And as it is a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. The next option is buried his dead with flowers and tools and lived in Central Asia. And the match given is Neanderthal man. And as it is also a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. And the last option given is first use fire, and fossils were found in Java. And the match given is Homo erectus. And as it is also a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Cycads and dicotyledons arose from common ancestor called A that existed on Earth during period B. Choose the option which fill the blanks A and B correctly. And the options are Zostaurophyllum and Triassic, Chlorophyta and Silurian, seed ferns and Carboniferous, herbaceous lycopods and Cretaceous. And the correct answer to this question is option number 3, seed ferns and Carboniferous. Seed ferns are the common ancestor for cycads and dicotyledons, and they existed on Earth during Carboniferous period. As you can see here, these are cycads, these are dicotyledons, and they arose from common ancestor seed ferns in Carboniferous periods. Let's discuss rest of the options. The very first option is Zostaurophyllum and Triassic, and this is an incorrect option because Zostaurophyllum, as you can see here, are the common ancestors for arborescent lycopods or herbaceous lycopods. The next option given is Chlorophyta and Silurian, and this is an incorrect option because the ancestors for cycads and dicotyledons, they existed on Earth during which period? Carboniferous periods and not during Silurian periods. The last option given is herbaceous lycopods and Cretaceous, and this is an incorrect option because these herbaceous lycopods are not common ancestors for cycads or dicotyledons. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 170. Select the correct option with respect to increasing cranial capacity suggested by hominid fossils. And the very first option is Homo erectus, Homo habilis, Homo sapiens sapiens and Homo sapiens fossilis. And before attempting this question, we must know the cranial capacities of these fossils. So Homo habilis, cranial capacities, H. habilis or Homo habilis, 650 to 800 cc. Homo erectus, 900 cc. Homo sapiens sapiens, 1400 cc. And Homo sapiens fossilis, 1650 cc. Homo sapiens neanderthalensis, 1300 to 1600 cc. Now let's discuss the options. So the very first option, Homo erectus followed by Homo habilis, is an incorrect option because in increasing order, Homo habilis is followed by Homo erectus. The next option is Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Homo sapiens sapiens, Homo sapiens fossilis. And as it is a correct order, so this is a correct answer to our question, because as you can see here in this increasing order of cranial capacity, Homo habilis followed by Homo erectus, Homo sapiens sapiens and Homo sapiens fossilis is a correct increasing order of cranial capacity suggested by hominid fossils. Next option is Homo erectus followed by Homo sapiens neanderthalensis followed by Homo habilis and Homo sapiens fossilis. This is an incorrect option because cranial capacity of Homo habilis is less than Homo sapiens neanderthalensis. The last option given is Homo habilis followed by Homo sapiens sapiens and Homo erectus, Homo sapiens fossilis, and this is also an incorrect option. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question.